If you're always behind in life, watch this. Have you ever opened Instagram and instantly felt like you're losing at life? Someone your age is graduating early, making money online, romanticizing their routine, waking up at 5 a.m. with their life together. And you're just sitting there like, why am I so behind? Here's the truth no one says out loud. Most people who feel behind are actually just burnt out and comparing themselves to highlight reels. And if that's you, this video might be exactly what you need. Part 1. The behind in life feeling. Let me describe a feeling. You're not lazy, you're not stupid, but you feel stuck. You make plans at night, you wake up tired, you scroll, you procrastinate, then you hate yourself for procrastinating. School feels overwhelming. Life feels rushed, and somehow everyone else looks ahead of you. Here's the scary part. The more behind you feel, the less energy you have to move forward. That's not failure. That's quiet burnout, and nobody warns you about it. Part 2. Why comparison is wrecking you. Let's talk about comparison. Not the obvious kind, the silent kind. You're not jealous, you're just constantly measuring yourself. Their productivity versus yours, their timeline versus yours, their success versus your confusion. But here's the problem. You're comparing your real life to someone else's edited moment. Of course you feel behind. You're running a marathon while watching someone else's highlight clip, and no one can win that game. Not you, not me, not anyone. Part 3. The truth no one tells students. Here's something I wish someone told me earlier. Feeling behind doesn't mean you're late. It means you're learning, you're adjusting, you're carrying pressure people don't see. Most people don't fall behind because they're lazy. They fall behind because they try to do too much, expect instant clarity, never stop to reset. And when you're exhausted, everything feels harder than it actually is. That's why motivation videos stop working. That's why planners don't help. That's why you feel stuck. You don't need more pressure. You need alignment. Part 4. 3 shifts that will change everything. Shift number 1. Stop trying to catch up. This one hurts, but listen carefully. You're not behind. You're just on your own timeline. Trying to catch up creates panic. Panic kills focus, and focus is what you actually need. Instead, ask, what's one thing I can do today that moves me forward even slightly? Not 10 things, not a full life reset, one thing. That's how momentum starts. Shift number 2. Build a low-energy system. Most advice assumes you're motivated. You're not, and that's okay. So stop building routines for your best days. Build them for your worst days. Examples: study for 25 minutes, not 3 hours. Open the book, don't finish the chapter. Write 1 sentence, not the whole essay. Progress during low-energy days beats perfection that never starts. Shift number 3. Redefine what progress means. Progress is not waking up at 5 a.m., being productive all day, feeling motivated 24/7. Progress is showing up tired, trying again after procrastinating, choosing consistency over aesthetics. Most people quit right before things click. Don't be one of them. Part 5. What to do tonight. Here's your challenge. Tonight, close social media 30 minutes earlier. Write down one thing stressing you out. Pick the smallest possible step and do it without judging yourself. That's it. No glow up, no reinvention, no pressure. Just forward movement. Quiet, simple, real. Ending. You're not behind. If you've been feeling behind, you're not broken, you're not late, and you're definitely not alone. You're just human, living in a world that rushes everyone. Take your time. We're not racing, we're rebuilding. And if this helped you even a little bit, try again tomorrow. Let's level up together.